Okay, let's try a separate angle. And see if we can get this straightened out a little bit better. As you can see, we have a broken piece of the frame here of the latch, and there's not much I can do about that. It will probably have to stay that way forever. So I'm going to try and get some of this other metal straightened out. Okay, the old vice grips. Let's see if we can just tweak it a little bit. Okay. Let's see if we can try to get that bent a little bit straighter. Use a hammer here. Okay. All right, I think that is going to be okay. It's not perfect, it's far from perfect, but I think it's going to function. So let's go ahead and get it back on the truck. Right. Get this bolt started. Get the outside bolt started. We'll use our 12mm socket, because my fingers are a little bit big. All right. Tighten this one. Had to bend that metal again because it wouldn't take my socket. For the final tightening down to where they will never come off. Lo and and behold, we have a working latch. There we go. All right.